This Minecraft EDU video is going to show you how to host a world. Hosting a world allows you to let students enter and play multiplayer. We're going to show you two different ways. Let's go click the play button first. So we're going to go into one of my previously created worlds, and you can host it right away. So when I click host, you can see my worlds in here, and to see what my host code is, we're going to hit the escape button. And this is the switch. So this is where we typically went to our settings, save and exit. But over here where you see the multiplayers, this is where you can join. So this is your specific host code to your world. So every code is different. So this is fish, agent, apple, book, and quill. You can always refresh that and generate a new code. So you can always have a new code. So you can see that I'm in here as the actual organizer. That's why I have the crown there. But if I wanted a student to join this, I would simply tell them to insert apple, pickaxe, Alex, and another apple. Now, the other way to host a world is if you've already started a world, that's not a big deal. All you're going to do is hit the escape key, and you still have that same setting up there. We're just going to click on that, and we're going to start hosting. You're going to confirm that you want them to join your world, and it's just going to generate another code and activate that world as a hosting one. Either way, let's have students join our world now. So we are hosting, so they need the code Rail, Book and Quill, Alex, and Cake. They're going to put that in when they join your world. Let's take a second and flip over to a student view or someone trying to join your world so you can see how to join a hosted world. I'm going to go to play, and you can see right here, I can join the world immediately. I'm going to click Join World, and it's going to ask for that code that your hosted world has. Now just ignore this code. This is just for the tutorial's sake. It had to change. So there's a code that I'm using as a teacher. So the student puts that in. I hit Confirm. And there you can see, yep, this is the world I want to join because it's hosted by the teacher. I click Confirm. And it just connects me to that multiplayer game. And you can see they're entering now. When they come in, they have their permissions right here. They're a member. They could be switched to visitor if you want, where they can't interact with the world. But you can also remove player if they just happen to be someone who's not in your classroom. But when I go to my class, I look around. There we go. I see my test student right over here. So now someone's in here and they are in my world. So that's how you can get them in there. If you hit the escape button, one thing you can do to stop hosting the world, so this will automatically kick all students out, but it will still save all the work they did in there. I simply go to stop hosting. I confirm, it's going to end it, and there he goes. You can see he just disappeared back there. No more lumberjack. So that's how you start hosting a world and how you end hosting a world.